Much like time entry, ClickTime's goal with expense management is to make workflows as easy as possible for employees and managers. You can log expenses in one of two ways, via our mobile or web applications. Let's take a look at our mobile app. In our expenses module, you can create categories of expenses, such as airfare, meals, mileage, and more. Indicate your payment method. Choose your preferred currency, and enter the expense's cost. ClickTime's conversion rate calculator is updated daily and will convert the expense's value to your preferred currency. Attach your receipt or any other documentation. Assign the expense to a specific project so you can unify time and expense tracking and get real-time insights into project budgets. And enter a description of the expense. Once you've added all of your expenses to a sheet, you can submit the expense sheet for approval. Managers can then approve, reject, or override the expense sheets. Additionally, your finance team can mark whether the expense was paid to the employee. So there you have it, ClickTime's expenses module in a nutshell. It's a quick, easy, and comprehensive way to process your employees' expenditures. For more information on ClickTime's expenses module, schedule a demo at www.clicktime.com.